energy efficient India, we need to know the energy demands of India. And with this picture, it's very clear that the energy demand is always increasing. In 2000, we did, India's primary energy demand was 450 million tons of oil equivalent. Then it grew in 2012 to 770 million tons of oil.
This is for all India or only urban India?
The whole of India.
Yeah, so come to your topic proper, that is cities. These are all general things. Next.
Here is a pie chart showing which was the most, which is actually the most source of the major energy. It is most of the energy, that is 44%, comes from the coal.
See, in the first part, you talked about Indian scenario. Here you are talking about United States scenario, how both are comparable. You are taking now this pie chart from United States Energy Information Association. What about Indian scenario of the distribution of energy?
So, they have taken this statistics based on all the countries, and India is also part of it, and India is also having
Okay, fine. Go to next slide.
the need for energy efficiency.
Okay, understood. Go to next slide. That is all blah blah. No, your basic theme, what is the title, means how to make the cities energy efficient. You please start talking about it. These are all generalities, clean energy and all. I am not seeing anything so far related to making our energy guzzling, energy wasting cities energy efficient. Where are those slides? These are all general things. They are not related to any this one. You have to talk about city infrastructure, power supply, power savings, alternative source of energies, solar systems, solar photovoltaics, wind power, aerogenerators, tidal energy, all that, where it is coming with relation to specific case studies. No, these are all generalities. They can be applied anywhere. You have to specifically confine yourself to urban situation, urban environment, cities, where it is coming. No, these are all generalities that you can go on adding this one. Okay, you can focus on this, and in terms of urban transportation, at least you expand on that. How urban transportation can be made energy efficient?
First is the active transit. This basically depends on the human generate, like walking, cycling. But the major constraint for this was infrastructure. But there are some.
How you define infrastructure for transportation?
There should be separate lanes for cycling, or for subways for the pedestrians to walk on, which will encourage the active transit. And next is the mass transit, that is the public transport which should be taken, because mass transit has
Which is the most ideal city in these areas that you have come across, where this is practiced?
There's no such city in India such which is ideal, but all are trying to develop.
No, the global best practices, because these global best practices every other country would like to adapt. Have you heard of a city called Curitiba, Brazil? So what it is known for? If you don't know, forget it. Go ahead. No, this is irrelevant. This is completely irrelevant. Your entire presentation is weak on the central theme, that is how, see, the issue is smart street lighting. That is what I expected you to present. What is smart street lighting? All urban areas need street lighting, yes or no? What is smart street lighting? Suppose you see in municipal areas, lamps still on after sunrise. Is it a good way of saving energy? Or would you like a system whereby as the intensity of daylight falls, the lights come on, and as the intensity of the sunrise with sunrise they are put off. That is called smart switch on switch off systems. And at domestic level also, if there is a person in the room, the smart grid of your entire house in the colony automatically put off the fans, because there will be motion sensors. The motion sensors will detect whether you are in the room or not, and accordingly will dim the lights or put off the fan or ACs. So on those lines, like solar systems, rooftop, cities need a lot of warm water. So you should have talked about how this warm water could be provided using solar, that heaters on rooftop. Now these things are not coming. Let us go to next presentation.